mountain peak in India? The correct answer is Kanchenjunga. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which is the largest state in India by area? The correct answer is Rajasthan. What is the currency of India? The correct answer is rupee. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? The correct answer is Kerala. Who wrote the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana? The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which city is the capital of India? The correct answer is New Delhi. What is the national flower of India? The correct answer is lotus. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister? The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? The correct answer is Holi. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? The correct answer is Rakesh Sharma. Which state in India is known for its production of apples? The correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. What is the national animal of India? The correct answer is tiger. Which Indian river is also known as the Dakshina Ganga? The correct answer is Godavari. Who was the first Indian woman to receive the Nobel Prize? The correct answer is Mother Teresa. Which state is known as the Granary of India? The correct answer is Punjab. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? The correct answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Which state has the longest coastline in India? The correct answer is Gujarat. What is the national sport of India? The correct answer is hockey. Who was the first Indian president to die in office? The correct answer is Zakir Hussain. Which state is famous for the dance form Bharatnatyam? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. What is the ancient Indian system of medicine called? The correct answer is Ayurveda. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature? The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which state is known for the Chhath Puja festival? The correct answer is Bihar. Who was the first Vice President of India? The correct answer is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Which river flows through the city of Kolkata? The correct answer is Hooghly. What is the main ingredient in the traditional dish dosa? The correct answer is rice. Who is known as the Night Angel of India? The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. What is the smallest state in India by area? The answer is Goa. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi.